Since files that are stored on the platform do not have a folder structure, it can be quite hard to find your files. This is where the Bookmark editor application comes in. Hello everyone, my name is Joakim and I'm a certified SOLIDWORKS expert that will help you get going with the platform. In this video you will learn how to add files to a bookmark during save or afterwards, which lets you and your colleagues easily find the files you're looking for. Welcome to that 3DEXPERIENCE show, and let's go! When you save a new file, you can in this process add the bookmark, so you don't need to do so later. You can do this to an already saved file to the platform by running saved options instead, to open this window again. In the upper left corner you will find the button for the bookmarks. Here you will find the list of bookmarks you have available. If the file is going to be any of these, you can from this window create a new bookmark. This icon can be found in the Bookmark editor application as well. Select the bookmark you want the file to be attached to and hit apply. We can now in the Bookmark editor application see that the file is now located in the bookmark we just applied. If the file has already been saved to the platform, you can add a file by searching on it and drag it into the bookmark you want to add it to. If you have a default bookmark set up inside SOLIDWORKS, you can also drag and drop the file from one bookmark to another. To define the default bookmark setting, you will need to go to the 3DEXPERIENCE Start pane within SOLIDWORKS, Tools tab and Options. Here you can then choose which bookmark you want as default. So that's it for today. Now you know how to add a file to a bookmark so you can easily find the correct file you're looking for. If you made this far, please leave a comment on topics you would like to be covered, and hit the like button if you liked the video. If you haven't done so yet, go check out mine and my colleagues' videos.